The hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters has been a fan favorite since its debut, capturing the dramatic yet inspiring journey of siblings Tammy Slaton and Amy Slaton as they navigate weight loss struggles, personal milestones, and family challenges. Now, after 7 rollercoaster seasons filled with triumphs, heartbreaks, and unforgettable moments, fans are eagerly waiting for any official update on Season 8. While TLC has not yet made a formal announcement about renewal or cancellation, there has been a surge of speculation, hints from cast members, and clues from behind the scenes that suggest the show is far from over. Here's everything we know so far about the potential release date, returning cast members, and what Season 8 could explore if it officially gets the green light. The Slaton sisters have built a loyal fan base by allowing cameras into the most intimate and raw aspects of their lives, making viewers feel as though they are part of the family. Season 7 wrapped up with significant cliffhangers and emotional storylines, leaving audiences desperate for closure and curious about what comes next. Tammy, who has undergone major surgeries and shed an impressive amount of weight, is now adjusting to life after her dramatic transformation, while Amy is balancing motherhood, personal struggles, and the possibility of new beginnings after her highly publicized arrest and custody battles. These ongoing storylines give TLC plenty of material to continue with a fresh season. As far as a release date is concerned, TLC has traditionally followed a fairly consistent pattern when it comes to the 1000 LB Sisters schedule. Previous seasons often premiered between late winter and early spring, typically around January or February. If the network sticks to this timeline and production has already begun quietly behind the scenes, it is highly possible that Season 8 could arrive in early 2026. However, delays are not uncommon in reality television, especially for a series that follows unpredictable real-life events. Production may be stretched out if the sisters' health, legal situations, or personal matters require additional time before filming can be completed. Until TLC makes an official statement, the release date remains speculation, but the demand is clear, as fans continue to flood social media asking when the show will return. When it comes to the cast, Tammy Slaton is almost guaranteed to return as she remains one of the central figures of the series. Her journey has been the backbone of the show, and after her recent skin removal surgery and weight loss progress, Season 8 could showcase a completely new side of Tammy that fans have never seen before. From her struggles with body image to her new independence and potential romantic updates, Tammy's arc has the potential to be one of the most transformative in reality television history. Amy Slaton is also expected to continue as a main cast member, especially since her storyline involving raising her children, her complicated relationships, and her efforts to stabilize her life have become fan favorites. Her ability to balance humor, honesty, and vulnerability has made her one of the most relatable personalities on the show. Other familiar faces may also return, including Amanda Halterman, who has become known for her outspoken nature and fiery personality. She has often stepped in to support her sisters during tough times, and her presence adds drama and comedic relief in equal measure. Chris Combs, Tammy and Amy's brother, is another likely returning cast member, as his own health journey has been inspirational and continues to resonate with fans who appreciate his level-headed approach and genuine care for his siblings. Extended family members and close friends, who often pop in and out of episodes, may also appear depending on the direction TLC takes with filming. One major question surrounding Season 8 is whether new faces will be introduced. TLC has occasionally expanded casts in reality series to bring fresh dynamics, and with both Tammy and Amy's lives changing rapidly, it's possible that new friends, romantic partners, or even medical professionals could be given more screen time. For example, Tammy's dating life has always generated headlines, and fans are curious to see if she has moved on from her past relationships or found someone new to share her journey with. Similarly, Amy's complicated personal life may introduce new people who play significant roles in her children's upbringing or in her personal healing process. Content-wise, there's no shortage of storylines that Season 8 could cover. Tammy's post-surgery recovery and emotional adjustment to her new body would provide not only medical insight but also deeply personal and emotional narratives. The mental health challenges that often accompany dramatic weight loss could be highlighted, giving viewer a raw look at the psychological side of transformation. Amy's custody situation with her kids, as well as her attempts to rebuild her life and possibly start over with new opportunities, would add another layer of emotional storytelling. The dynamic between siblings, which has always been the heart of the show, will likely remain a major focus, showcasing both their conflicts and their undeniable bond. From a production standpoint, Season 8 also gives TLC the opportunity to highlight just how far the family has come since the show began. When 1000 LB Sisters first premiered, both Tammy and Amy were at critical points in their health, struggling with mobility, food addiction, and the fear of not leaving long enough to see their futures unfold. Fast forward to today, and Tammy has achieved medical milestones that once seemed impossible, while Amy has embraced motherhood despite facing hurdles. The contrast between where they started and where they are now could serve as one of the most inspiring angles the show has ever documented. Fans online have been vocal about their hopes for the new season. Many want to see more positive updates about Tammy's health, as her determination has inspired countless viewers who struggle with their own weight loss journeys. Others are curious to see if Amy can truly rebuild after her legal troubles and provide stability for her children. Some viewers are also calling for more episodes that highlight family bonding and lighter moments, as the humor and love shared between the siblings remain one of the most appealing aspects of the series. Social media discussions reveal a community of fans who feel personally connected to the Slayton family, rooting for their success while also being invested in the drama that reality television naturally brings. Financially, it makes sense for TLC to continue with another season. 1000 LB Sisters has consistently performed well in ratings and has built a dedicated fan base that tunes in religiously. The show's ability to trend on social media after every episode further demonstrates its cultural impact. From viral clips of Tammy's bold one-liners to heartwarming moments of family support, the series has become a cornerstone of TLC's reality TV lineup. Cancelling now would not only disappoint fans but also leave many unfinished storylines unresolved. While TLC has not released a trailer or teaser for Season 8, fans should keep a close eye on the network's official press releases and the social media accounts of the cast. Historically, small hints have surfaced on Instagram or TikTok, with Tammy and Amy occasionally dropping cryptic comments that fuel speculation. Until then, audiences are left in suspense, but if the past is any indication, the wait will be worth it. In conclusion, while there is no official confirmation yet, all signs point toward 1000 LB Sisters returning for a highly anticipated Season 8. With Tammy's continued progress, Amy's evolving life, and the family's never-ending ups and downs, the show still has plenty of story to tell. The potential release date may fall in early 2026, with a cast lineup that keeps familiar faces front and center while possibly adding new ones. For fans who have followed the Slayton sisters from the beginning, the next chapter promises to be one of the most emotional and transformative yet. Whether it focuses on health, family, or personal redemption, 1000 LB Sisters Season 8 has the potential to deliver everything audiences love about the series: raw honesty, family drama, laughter, and hope for a brighter future. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.